Hello, what is up? Furu here for another unboxing video. So we got our hands on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, and I wanted to do an unboxing, first impressions, and a few tests and comparisons. We'll be comparing it side by side with the DJI Pocket 2. Let's go! Let's open it up. So upon opening the box, I take off this black bag with the included manuals and quick start guide. There's also a QR code for the recommended app, Lightcut. These are the safety guidelines which I didn't bother opening. And here is the quick start guide. Feel free to pause the video if you want to check the page in detail. So basically, you need to activate the unit on first use via the DJI Mimo app. I was not able to take a video of me activating the unit, but basically you just need to pair the Osmo Pocket 3 to the DJI Mimo app, and it does the rest for you, including updating it to the latest firmware. Okay, let's open up the bag and see what's inside one by one. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Upon carrying it, the first thing is that it weighs heavier than the DJI Pocket 2 but feels better on the grip. The front has 3 holes for the omnidirectional mic. Here on the bottom is the USB-C port. Now you might be thinking, how do I mount this to a tripod? Upon grabbing the next item in the bag, it just answered our question. This is the handle, and you can attach it to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 when needed. The USB-C port is also on the side, and the one for tripod thread is here. Here's how it looks with the handle. Next, here's the battery handle, which gives you additional battery life. Here's how it looks like with the battery handle. Next, here's the mini tripod. It is definitely a step up to the tripod that is included in the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. To be able to use it, you either need to attach the handle or the battery handle so you can mount it to the mini tripod. Here we have the DJI Mic 2. I also have the DJI Mic from the DJI Pocket 2 and the DJI Mic 1, so watch out for my DJI Mic audio comparison video. And of course, here's the included windscreen. I simply press it downward until it clips in. And here's the wrist strap. Here's the USB charging cable. And here's the wide angle lens. And finally, the carrying case, where I immediately store the wide angle lens. So let's open up the unit. To open it up, either hold the record button or just rotate the screen clockwise. This is the default shooting setup, but you can also shoot vertical videos or turn off the unit when you rotate the screen counterclockwise. We immediately set it to 4K 60 for testing purposes. Let's try recording. Oops, no SD card. Take 2. Alright, here's the video. Please take note that this unboxing video was shot using the DJI Pocket 2. And here's the digital zoom. And here's the gimbal panning. I stopped the recording and watched the video in playback mode. It has a built-in speaker on the front. Now let's turn off the unit. I'm going to put it back in the case. Wait for the gimbal to do its rest position, then push it gently back into the case. Alright, let's do some video tests with the DJI Pocket 2 and the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. For our tests, we shoot using the 2 cameras side by side and record at the same time. For the test modes, this is basically getting the camera out of your bag and shooting without changing any modes. Normal color mode, internal stereo microphones, and using follow mode. Okay, we're on the base side, and here we're going for some walking, jogging, and testing as well. Let's take a walk around. and some jogging. In this part, you can immediately notice that the sky is bleeding, but the Pocket 3 is doing a good job. Now we're going for a stroll around this area. Okay, one last test. We shot inside the mall, then went out for an evening walk. We are just walking until we reach the exit. I'll just do a time lapse. And here's the exit. Now enjoy the night video shot by these two cameras and let us know which one is better. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Watch out for my next video, the DJI Mic audio comparison. See ya!